Hello friends, I'm Dr. Avilash Nayak from India. I am going to talk about the Moodle resources which are available with Moodle, and this is a task for week 2. Under Moodle resources, we have various kinds of resources like the file, like the label, like the folder, URL, and different resources are there, and they are integrated with the topic which are chosen. And for me, I have chosen William Shakespeare, topic 40 as my topic. And I have used various kinds of resources for this. But before we go for the resources which I have used for the course for my topic, William Shakespeare, let us talk about what these resources are and how they can be used. First of all, we have book as the resource. A book is a module that enables a teacher to create a multi-page resource in a book-like format with chapters and subchapters. Books can contain media files as well as text and are useful for displaying lengthy passages of information which can be broken down into sections. A book can be used to display reading material for individual modules of study, as a staff department handbook, as a showcase portfolio of student work. The next resource that we have is a file. The file module enables a teacher to provide a file as a course resource. Where possible, the file is displayed within the course interface. Otherwise, students are prompted to download it. The file may include supporting files, or for example, an HTML page may have embedded images or flash objects. Note that the students need to have appropriate software on their computers in order to open the file. A file may be used to share presentations in a given class, to include a mini website as a course resource, to provide draft files of certain software programs like Photoshop to the students so that they can edit and submit them for assessment. The third resource that we have is a folder. The folder module enables a teacher to display a number of related files inside a single folder, reducing scrolling on the course page. A zipped folder may be uploaded or unzipped for display, or an empty folder created and files uploaded into it. A folder may be used for a series of files on one topic, for example, a set of past examination papers in PDF format, or a collection of image files for use in the student projects. To provide a shared uploading space for teachers on the course page, keeping the folder hidden so that only teachers can see it. The third resource which is available on Moodle is the IMS content package. An IMS content package is a collection of files which are packaged according to an agreed standard so that they can be reused in different systems. The IMS content package module enables such content packages to be uploaded as zip file and added to a course as a resource. Content is usually displayed on over several pages with navigation between the pages. There are various options for displaying content in a pop-up window with a navigation menu or buttons. An IMS content package may be used for presenting multimedia content and animations. The next resource that we have is a label. The label module enables text and multimedia to be inserted into the course page in between links to other resources and activities. Labels are very versatile and can help to improve the appearance of a course if used thoughtfully. Labels may be used to split up a long list of activities with a subheading or an image, to display an embedded sound file or video directly on the course page, to add a short description to a course section. The next resource that we have on the Moodle is a page. The page module enables a teacher to create a web page resource using the text editor. A page can display text, images, sound, video, web links, embedded code such as Google Maps. Advantages of using the page module rather than the file module include the resource being more accessible For example, the uses of mobile devices and easier to update. For large amounts of content, it is recommended that a book is used rather than a page. A page may be used to present the terms and conditions of a course or a summary of the course syllabus, to embed several videos or sound files together with some explanatory text. The last resource that we have with Moodle is URL. The URL module enables a teacher to provide a web link as a course resource. Anything that is freely available online, such as documents or images, can be linked to. The URL doesn't have to be the home page of a website. The URL of a particular web page may be copied and pasted, or a teacher can use the file picker and choose a link from the repositories such as Flickr, YouTube or Wikimedia, depending upon which repositories are enabled for the site. There are a number of display options for the URL, such as embedded or opening in a new window, and advanced options for passing information such as student's name to the URL if required. Note that URLs can also be added to any other resource or activity type through the text editor. Now, finally, we come to my resources, the resources which I have used to my topic, that is Shakespeare. Okay, as you can see here in the first one, the book, we have a PDF book which is Shakespeare and his times, and this has different parts of Shakespeare and his role as a playwright over the time. Next we have the file resource where we have uploaded a video from the YouTube on Shakespeare, and which is very useful regarding the information regarding his growth into a playwright and the way his creative output has led to the world from the old to the new. Then under the folder resource we have the different files which we have put. One Word file is there, one PDF file is there, one video is there. All of them have been put together. So that is the folder. Now we have the IMS content package. In this IMS content package, I have uploaded a zip file on Shakespeare and the various topics which are related to Shakespeare. Under the page, under the resource label, I have used the name of Shakespeare, and it has been displayed with a background just to highlight the topic I am working on. And then we have the page. Under this page I have also added a web page on the different quotations which are available on the web, and I have created a web page and provided the link there. Then I have given an URL for Shakespeare around the globe, for the resources which are available on Shakespeare, how he has been famous across the world in different parts of the world, like China, like South Africa, Italy, France, India and many other countries. And finally, I have also created a support forum for my friends, for my mentor, for my facilitator to comment on my work and my experiments with the Moodle resources. Thank you and over.